baby. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fred. Hey, today is a special day. It's a real good day. It's wet, it's gloomy, and raining outside. But today, I'll get my car back today. So you know I'm hyped. We heading over to the Ford dealership now. Y'all didn't already know the story. My car been down since July, because it went down like right before my cousin got married. So what is that? That's July 2017. It's what, March now? Yeah. March 2018. So that's what, how many months? So yeah, like 8 months. My car been down 8 months. So yeah, you know I'm excited to get it back. We heading up there now. We right up the street. So the work has been chronicled, but she's ready to go now, and I'm hyped. So there's more video to come. Now we waiting for him to bring it around. The battery was dead, of course, because the car been sitting so long. So they gotta jump it, and they're gonna bring it around. Ooh, there goes my baby. My heart just skipped a beat. Hear it running again. Oh, she dirty. Let's turn it off. I'll reset that later. I can back out. Oh, it feels so different. It's been so long since I even drove my car. It almost, I done forgot how it feels. The splendid sound is so beautiful. Oh my God. Alright, that's free. Oh my goodness. I miss you so much. Ain't even no tags on it, is it? Ain't no tags on it, or the tags on it? You good? Yeah. I forgot to bring the tag. Forgot to bring my tag. good because I'm riding with no tag. The tag is at the shop. Oh wow, look at that. Took the bed off and just put the lights on a little cutout old Ford name stamp on an old bed, on an old tailgate. That was interesting. Y'all don't understand how hype I am. So long. Wet enough to use windshield wipers, so I don't need no reason to get pulled over. Still need to change my bearings. I got bearings in the back seat. I was actually getting ready to change those when the other problems came up. So deal with that. That's about how loud it was before. Yeah. Go down, order me another steering wheel. Y'all see how ugly my steering wheel is? It's wore out. Find those all day on eBay though. Got a new bumper on the way. My bumper been like that for a while too, but I ordered some paint, some torch red, some D3. The paint code for this car is red color. Torch red, Colorado red. Oh man, I'm so hyped. I got my car back. Sound. I've been driving my dualies for so long now. I have to remember next time I pull up to the pump that I need to buy gas. Oh, I haven't had that problem though. I haven't had that problem when I hopped in any other gas car. This would really suck if I forgot to put gas in it, or if I got into my dually and I put gas into the diesel. We almost back to the shop now. Oh, we've done this before, like we do this all the time though, actually. Going up from the auction to the shop, to the inspection station to the shop. Might not have a tag on the vehicle. Even got pulled over once before too. I don't think it was I didn't have a tag, or did I? I might not have had a tag. It was a car that we had that was gonna be selling, and we had just got it from inspection. And it did not have a tag on it. The officer was cool. He didn't really sweat it. First, it was my timing had went bad. Well, no, actually, I don't even remember what happened first. My timing did go bad, and no, I take that back. The first issue I was having was computer issue, so I ended up buying another computer. It was used from LKQ, like 108 bucks. Got the computer flashed. So then the car it wasn't running right. And mind you, getting a new computer and getting it flashed, that took like a good month and a half. But that by itself, because I thought it was an issue with my flash tuner. I got the touchscreen SCT flash tuner. So I thought it was an issue with the flash tuner. And of course my work schedule made it hard for me to get in contact with SCT for its troubleshooting. I can only do it on my day off, which is Wednesday, so that wasn't getting done. So it took me like a good month and a half basically to figure out, as we pull up back to the shop, but it took me a good month and a half to figure out that the problem wasn't the flash tuner, my computer had went bad. There's my dually up there with the trailer attached to it, with the white door, because the door was rusted out. You can see straight to the bottom if you look through the space where the window glass go. But yeah, so so when I finally figured out that the problem wasn't the tuner and that the computer was bad, I ended up addressing the computer issue. And then it was running funny, and come to find out timing was off. So I tore down the front timing cover and all that stuff. And it ended up being that my guides and everything had wore out and broke and whatnot. So I changed my timing, put all that stuff together, which that's in the video too. And then once I got all that back together, the timing was off. So my boy way up here, over there, T, he put the T is foreign and domestic in Norfolk, Virginia. But he put the he got my timing set and everything for me. But he was like, yeah, don't plug up the mass air sensor because something is wrong with the computer. So it's still out of flash. So by then, that's when I went on and just took it up to the dealership so they could go, and they just all they had to do really is just reflash the computer. And then I had the airbag recall stuff, so that and that's what those two little disc things were when I first sat in the car. They didn't put the little covers to go over the screws in the steering wheel. They put that back. But yeah, that's what. So yeah, so finally after 8 months, I got my car running good. I don't even know how much is on the dash. Oh, she need to be clean. She's dirty. Daddy to give you a bath. Yeah, this is my car. Y'all, this is Daddy's little girl. But yeah, so I'm happy. Put these tags back on. Get this windshield fixed eventually. He's like, yeah, you need a battery. You probably want to put a battery in there and another windshield. I was like, well, we got a battery. Windshield, I'll deal with that eventually. Inspection, I'll deal with that eventually. But let me go handle some other stuff.